Hello guys. In this video we're going to check about that how to count a number. Okay, so it's a very simple program and it's like it also interview program only, but the possibilities is very less only. Okay, so but you just understand the concept. It will be helpful to other things like a reversing concept also. It will be helpful. Okay. So counting numbers in this, I'm just taking I'm just taking 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this the output should be 6, right? So 6 digit is present in this number, so the output should be present as 6. So here uh, first of all, there is no condition present here, right? Whether the length should be equal or it should be increment or decrement, like that there is no condition should be there for this particular number program. So we can go with the while loop for that. So in that while loop I'm just mentioning that number greater than 0. So only one condition, which number it's not equal to 0. So that is the condition, whether you can mention here as greater than 0 or not equal to 0. So both are correct only. So if that is number greater than 0, then what has to be done here, number equal to number slash 10. So what it will do in the sense, so here this symbol is there, right? So it will use to remove the particular character. So it is like a quotient value, right? So it will use to remove the particular digit. And if we like using this symbol, this is the modular symbol. If you are using this symbol, it will use to get the remaining value, remainder. So in the divider method we will have the remainder and quotient, right? So this is used to get the remainder. So this used to get the quotient value. So that's it. So if you mentioned this, it will remove the quotient. So what will happen, number equal to, what is the number here given, 1 2 3 4 5 6. What it will do, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 10. So if you do like this in the calculator, so what will happen, the quotient value will be present as 6, right? So it will remove the last digit, and 6 is the last digit it will remove. So once the 6 is removed, in the sense I'm just increasing the count. So I'm just creating one variable int count equal to 0. So I'm just mentioning count plus plus. So that's it. So this is the program. So here I'm just printing that system dot out dot println. Here I'm just mentioning the count. Why? Because the count only need to be print, right? So if I'm printing that, the value will be 6, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the value. So I'm just mentioning 7 8 also, so value should be 8, right? Okay. So instead of directly mentioning that, if you want to use like a scanner class also, we can apply in this. So for that, scanner se equal to new scanner. So in this driver dot in, it's a predefined method which we need to mention. Sorry, it's not a driver dot in, it's a system dot in. So the input should be get from the system. So the system dot in the sense that is the input. So here if you're checking, this input stream is there, right? So that is the reason we are mentioning like in. So input stream, usually to read the value we will be using that. Okay, then se dot, what value we going to get, int value. So I'm just mentioning that as name, sorry, number. So here if you're mentioning that number, before that we need to get the value from the user, right? Println enter the number. Okay, so like the way we need to mention. So I'm clicking here, just mentioning some random value. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 will be there. Input mismatch. Okay, so what happened here, we are used that int but mention the long digit, so that is the reason it's not taking. So I'm just mentioning 1 2 3 4 5 6 alone, so the output will be 6. Okay, so like the way we need to do the count. So here if you are mentioning more digit in the sense, so like this more digit we are mentioning in the sense, here input mismatch exception is there, right? So that time instead of the next int we can go for the next long. So next long one particular method is there, right? So using that method we can achieve this. So then here the return type also will be long. So if I'm mentioning this, sorry, instead of that I'm just mentioning 10 will be printed. Again I'm mentioning more than 10. Oh, sorry. So 11 character will be printed. So the integer will be print more like a 10 digit of the value only. More than is that mean we can go for the long. So this is the concept. So hope you understood this. So if you have any doubts, just leave in the comment box. If you like this video, please like and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.